You are going to love the 2025 CT5. The Cadillac CT5 offers a powerful engine, an upscale interior, and plenty of technology. Couple that with an exterior design that is stunning, and you have a vehicle sure to make people notice. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, rear-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, adaptive cruise control, heads-up display, keyless start, lane departure warning, cruise control, power steering, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Come see the car for yourself.